Why is it that hills appear to be causing rain? On this radar picture you can clearly see the outline of western Scotland, northwest England and also the western parts of Wales and the western coast of Ireland defined through the rainfall. It seems that as the rain is hitting the hills, it's actually becoming heavier. Well, that's exactly what's happening. And if we zoom in a little bit closer to Wales with the same radar for the same time, you can actually see here quite clearly Anglesey, the Clyn Peninsula. There's Cardigan Bay going into the southwestern parts of Wales too. So the hills are enhancing rainfall. But why is that happening? Well, this is the setup at the moment. A warm front has moved east. We've got a broad southwesterly flow bringing up lots and lots of moist air from off the Atlantic. Now, warm, moist air can hold more water as vapour than colder air. So, all of that water is held as a vapour, but it can only be as an invisible vapour for a certain temperature. Once it cools, the vapour has to turn to cloud and then eventually to rain. So, let's take this hill, Silbury Hill. Yes, it's artificial, but it looks great, doesn't it? So it's a perfect example to use. Now, imagine Silbury Hill with wind blowing into it here. What's happening is the wind is hitting the hill and then it's forced to rise across the top. As it rises, it cools. So let's say the temperature at the bottom of the hill is 20 degrees Celsius. By the time it gets to the top of the hill, it might be 15 degrees Celsius. Now, when the temperature was at 20 degrees Celsius, the water was quite happy as a vapour. But by the time it's risen over the hill, it's cooled and no longer can the air hold that water as an invisible vapour, so it has to condense out, and it forms a cloud. Within that cloud, the rain droplets increase, and if there are enough of them bashing together, making themselves big enough, they will start to fall as rain. So long as there's sufficient moisture in the air and the wind continues to blow from the same direction, so the rain will become heavier and bring a thoroughly wet day, which is exactly what's happening across Wales and the west of the UK and Western Ireland on these rainfall charts. And there you have it. Umbrellas at the ready, please. Don't forget to check out more videos at weatherweb.net, our courses at weatherschool.co.uk, and whatever you're doing, keep the sun shining, and bye for now.